president of IRO. IRO is composed of volunteers, no? We advocate for the adoption, rescue, and then also rehoming. My passion talaga is for the animals, especially the Asong Pinoy, especially the stray dogs, because they are the most neglected breed. Kaya nagpo-focus po kami to promote our sariling Asong Pinoy.
Welcome to SM Seaside City's Pack Walk 2024. Apart from the loot bags we give to you during the game, we have a very special loot bag for a very, very special person. Open it. Ready? You will proceed one floor up for your surprise!
Thank you always for supporting and trusting our advocacy. Thank you so much, SM Seaside. Hindi nyo lang alam kung paano ako naging masaya for our rescues and also our volunteers. Our rescues is here. Thank you so much.